Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a mail call package from longtime friend of the channel Lothar Renz in Stuttgart, Germany. That's a straight shot up the Autobahn from my place, and it's home of my favorite car brand. While I wrestle with this box, let me give you a 30-second history on the Porsche crest, which has evolved over the years. The large shield in the background with antlers and black and red stripes represents the province of Württemberg in southwest Germany, of which Stuttgart is the capital. The Porsche family name is at the top. Inside there's a smaller shield. The prancing horse wasn't stolen from Ferrari. That's the Stuttgart city coat of arms. It was founded in 950 AD as a horse breeding area, and the etymology of the name, roughly translated, means stud farm. You learn something new every day. And the first stud out of the box is this very interesting Porsche Turbo. It's a tin car, unbranded but very interesting and clearly a vintage piece. Thanks, Lothar, for starting me off with that one. I'll keep this for display only. That won't be a customization. Couple cars wrapped together in paper towel. Let's see what comes out. The P11 from Hot Wheels. Before Hot Wheels had the license to the name Porsche, but that's clearly what it is. Metal base, made in Malaysia. That's a valued and sought-after casting. This is a Siku Porsche 917/10. It's a turbo, a Le Mans racer. Siku is a German brand. There's a metal base on this too. That's definitely going to get restored and customized. Another Siku. This is a BMW 320i. Street version car. It's got opening doors. I've owned 3 different Beamers. Notice on the bottom of a Siku car you get the cylinders and the horsepower and all kinds of little factoids. I like that about Siku. By the way, this is how you pack a mail call box. Loosely wrapped in paper towel is better than yards and yards of tape that you have to break through. This is an unbranded car. It's clearly a Dodge Charger. It's in generally orange. I can certainly work with that. Nice one. Oh, classic looking Jaguar XK120 from Matchbox. Look for this in an upcoming video because that's already caught my eye. Metal base. Beautiful. 1 to 57 scale, it says. Back to the Porsche theme. This is a 930 Turbo called a slant nose. Metal base out of Thailand. Love it. Oh, look at this cutie. It's from Siku and it's just called a buggy. I'm working on a Myers-Manx dune buggy right now. I've got to 3D print the body parts, but I'll put it on top of a Volkswagen chassis, again as they used to do with the real dune buggies. Nice one. This is a Porsche Turbo, but from Majorette. That's a French brand. Opening doors. This one is in very good condition. I love the whale tail. That's my favorite look out of all of the Porsche designs that they've come out with. 1:57 scale as well. And a very hard to find Carrera 906 by Siku. Engine gets exposed in the back with the lift up engine cover. Metal base. That's an older Siku, you can tell by the logo. All right. This is just a Group C racer from Matchbox, so they weren't able to put any brand names on at that point. You can tell that one comes from Stuttgart also. Beautiful. Needs a little fix up, but that's easy to do, and that's what the hobby's all about. Now for some cars and blisters, an Aston Martin DB4 GT. Hot Wheels 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I'll leave these in the blisters until I'm ready to crack them open and work on them. Matchbox Volkswagen Golf GTE. That's the first Golf casting that I've got. I love VWs. Of course, they share DNA with Porsche. Out of Italy, the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. And another sports car, the McLaren F1. Love the exotics. Here's a classic 68 Chevy C10 pickup truck. That's a totally blank canvas for a custom job. And the last one, and this is the one that caught my eye in the original email that Lothar sent to me. It's a Polistil out of Italy. Porsche 911 SC. This one is pristine. Not a mark on it. Opening doors. Lots of detail on the inside. Accurate badging on it. And an interesting base. There it is. Polistil, made in Italy. Shares a Tonka branding on it. Outstanding. Also for display purposes, you'll see that in future videos sitting right on my bench. Not far from where it is. Thanks Lothar for this great mail call. Heavy emphasis on Porsche, as you know I love. I hope everyone enjoyed watching this mail call and that you'll come back real soon. It's coffee time.